Hello friends, in this video you will learn about links and lists setting in CSS. See, this is a HTML file with link. See this is the link part we already know in HTML, and also this is the unordered and order list parts. This also we learned in HTML. So how to modify these two things in CSS? We will learn this topic in this video. Comes to the file. See, this stylesheet.css file is linked with this HTML with reference stylesheet.css. See, this is the link. First, we will discuss about links modifications. This is the link. First, we will discuss links. What is happen when the links are happens four things. Those are first, a dot a is link. This is about when the link is not visited by the web user. The next one is, see, this is the first one. When the link is visited by the user, then this block of properties will execute. This is visited. And next one is when the cursor moves to the mouse or cursor is moved to the link, then this block of properties will execute. That is a hover. The next one is when the user clicks the link, then this properties shows. That is active. This is the four things on the links is going on. First, we'll make it these two things as one, separated by comma. See, we'll modify these things with this. First, remove this underline with the text decoration none. See, the underline is removed. Change the color of the text with the color. Make it green. See, now it is color is green. Create the border. Look like button. Make it button with this border. See, border with 1 pixel, solid, hot pink. So border is created, but this is not look like button. Make it button with padding. $10 and left and right $20. See, now it is look like button. When the cursor is moved to this place, there is nothing is happen. Make it happen with editing these two things. See, this making this two as one, separated by comma, and change the things. See, first color, change the color to the white and make the background color is hot pink. See, when it's moving to this cursor on the link, the background color is became hot pink and the text color became is white. This is about links modifications. The next we will discuss about lists topic. First we will discuss about unordered list. See, this is the unordered list. To access this element, unordered element with the class style, and same as this order list also class name style. See, to access the CSS for the access ul dot style. In this first list style type, defaultly those are disk. you can make it circle. See, those are become the circles. Whichever you like, or you can want to make it square, you can use square. Those become squares like this. This is the list style type. Next one is list style position. You can make it defaultly this is outside, make it inside. See, those become the inside. Next one, instead of using these things, you can use these bullets, you can use any image with the list style image with the URL like blacklove.png. See this is the image. Instead of using these three things, you can use single one, that is shorthand, link, list style. Give that is inside and give URL that is blacklove.png. See, there is no changes happens. Comes to the order list. The same way like this, but in this type you can use alphabet, Greek, Italian, Roman like this. Make it lower Roman. See how that is changing. This is the outside Romans, lower Roman numbers. Make it inside with list style position inside. See, this is the inside of the list style position. This is about links and list settings in CSS. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.